Not Dustin with you with bird kills. He got it. Wounded it.
Shit. Where's he going?
There it's going. It's going right in my front yard.
Get
it loaded.
He's got the pellets.
You got any more in your pocket?
Load up again, son. You smoked it.
Ooh, Dustin smoked this finch. And Dustin is the great. Hey, don't scare it. Dustin is the great finch hunter. It died. No.
It's right there. Shoot him.
Just run up to it and kill it.
Shoot him right there. Shoot him right there.
Just get up to it. It's dead.
No, it's not.
Just kill it now.
Just shoot it.
Dustin, get right here and kill it. Quick. Put the gun right up to its head and shoot it. Don't miss. There we go.
There you go. God damn, massacred that fucker.
That's disgusting.
That's what I said.
Hey, Gary.
I told you massacred him, did I?